Bakit kinit sa mo nakuha ito, Gwen? Where did you get this?
On top
Old house! Okay.
How much that?
How much?
$1 million.
$1 million?
$1 million!
No.
About $1 million.
No.
Ha?
No.
Deal na to.
It's a deal?
It's a deal.
No. No.
No!
No.
No!
Tutas.
Ang hirap makipag-negotiate dito.
No.
Ako si Angelo Bernardo. Welcome sa Dekada Collectible Show. I-feature namin dito ang mga coins, collectibles, vinyl records, toys, books, antiques na dumadaan sa amin. At mag-interview din kami ng mga collectors and dealers. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating mga picks at mga pasyal na may kinalaman sa collectibles. Tara, kwentuhan tayo. Pasa po.
Evening po.
Hello, little girl. How are you?
Kenneth po from Sapalok, Manila. Anak ko po si Gwen. Ayayin mo na sa akin.
Hello, Gwen.
Hello.
How are you? You're fine. Okay. What are you going to sell?
So I'm going to say that.
What is that?
It's that newspaper.
Newspaper.
Newspaper! Okay. So let's see kung ano to, ha? Manila Free Philippines. September 3, 1943. 1945 issue. Peace. Peace. So ito ay BJ edition. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng BJ?
Hindi ko po alam kung anong meaning.
Ikaw, ano ibig sabihin nun?
Victory Joe.
Victory Joe.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Buko juice.
Bakit tumatawa si madam? Buko juice. Vuk. Okay, ang ibig sabihin ng VJ is Victory over Japan.
Victory
Oh.
over Japan.
Saan tawag?
Man's calling.
Want to answer?
Old phone. Want to answer it?
No.
Dekada Collectibles, good evening. So, basta tayo. Ano ka tayo alis bukas? 5:30? Aga naman. Sige, punta kami. Bye-bye.
Old phone.
Okay. So ano, itong isa ay ano to, Independence Day. Independence Supplement ng ano to? Sunday Tribune yata ito. Nalimutan ko na. Basta 1943 ito. October 16, 1943. Yun yung ating Independence Day according sa Japanese. October birthday mo. Nakaw. Mukhang talagang ano na to
Mountain.
Independence Pledge Redeemed. Ayan. So nakikita natin dito si Premier Tojo. Sa ano, inulit ni Premier Tojo sa 400,000 Pilipino sa Luneta. Ayan yung Luneta na, no? Puro nakikinig kay Premier Tojo.
Wala pang pollution. Wala pang pollution yan.
Well, ewan natin. Kasi may kotse na rin nun eh. Tapos ayan yung parliament. Siguro ano to, sa
Ilocos Norte.
ito yung meeting ng Kalibapi. Ito naman yung final draft of the Constitution, yung bagong Constitution na natin nung panahon ng giyera. Hirap naman na itong binibenta mo, Gwen. Hinarapan mo ako. Bakit kinit sa mo nakuha ito, Gwen? Where did you get this?
On top
Old house! President Laurel. Okay. Felicitations of the Republic of the Philippines. Birthday mo, October. Wow.
I'm turning 5.
O, si ano to ah?
I'm turning
MacArthur.
5.
You're turning 5! Wow!
Like Saisa.
Hmm?
Saisa.
Friend
Saisa.
niya. Friend niya si Saisa.
Ah, Saisa.
The
Okay.
school.
Okay, do you know who this is?
No.
That's Adolf, Hitler.
Hitler pala yan. Hindi pala MacArthur.
Oh.
Bang pala si Daddy.
Malayo ah.
Si Hitler pala yun.
Okay.
Flowers.
So dito makikita mo yung buhay ng panahon ng Hapon. Pero hindi pa to kasi medyo pinaganda pa to kasi Japanese na
What?
propaganda publication to.
Hmm.
Si Roosevelt, ang lalaki Si Mussolini, lahat ng mga Ito hindi ko alam kung sino to. Ayan, tapos panahon ng Hapon, mayroong Coke. Tapos buhay pa rin yung San Miguel.
Ang tagal na po pa ng San Miguel, no?
Ang San Miguel, yan? Since 1890.
80 na yun siya.
So ibig sabihin, kung mayroong ganito to, buhay yung San Miguel Brewery nung panahon ng gera. At buhay yung Coke. Biro mo yan. So kahit may gera, meron pa rin meron pa rin business. Itong mga to. Kala ko nung una, dahil nga gera, wala silang Ito 1940. Ito si King Leopold. King Leopold ng Belgium. Leopold III.
Hari pala siya.
So ano pa to? Ito naman, wala pang gera. Mga cover na lang. Cover na lang to. Ito yung isa dyan, First Lady. Okay, si Quezon, tsaka si Aguinaldo. Nung 19... Anong year to?
Oo ba po ata?
Ow! Ow!
Commonwealth time.
Wala
Sunday.
Nung tumakbo si Aguinaldo ng presidente, natalo.
Di ba magkalaban sila?
Oh,
Yan po ba yung last election na tinakbuhan niya?
ni Aguinaldo.
Ayan, presidente na sa Quezon. President credits General Aguinaldo with Tagaytay City idea. Yun nga lang, kulang-kulang na. Okay.
Sayang yun. Paano kompleto?
Sige. Interesting. So, how much?
How much daw?
How much?
$1 million.
$1 million?
$1 million! Tingnan mo, baka may play money tayo 1 million dyan. Bayad natin. How about $1?
No.
Don't like $1?
No.
How many dollars?
Meron tayo, trillion. Zimbabwe.
What, you want 1 trillion?
About 1 trillion.
No.
Don't like 1
Million.
trillion? How about 1,000? No!
You fix that na $1 million?
$1 million?
Please.
Why? Why $1 million?
Million.
I got toys.
You got toys? Can we swap toys for this one? Huh?
No.
Why don't I give you Barbie? You want Barbie? Or Ken?
Baby.
Oh, hindi nag-object yung Hindi nag-object yung tatay, oh. How about this one?
Oopsie.
Oopsie. This is better than Barbie.
What's that?
It even talks. Hindi. Ito may naging salita. Hindi. Meron talaga salita, di ba?
Ito lang, Sa old daw.
Pwede na.
20. Seconds.
Chickens? Wow! Chickens kami, oh. Paano yan, Daddy? Wala
Deal
na.
na ba? Deal na?
Deal na to.
It's a deal?
It's a deal.
No.
No! I thought we shook hands already. Oh. I'll give you that plus $1.
No.
No! Mahirap na makadil nito. What do you want?
Barbie.
Barbie! You want that one?
No.
You don't like this one? This one talks. Especially at night. See, you just wind it up like this. There you go. Oh, sorry. Oh, yan. You want?
Want that?
No.
Why?
No, don't like. Okay. Hirap naman ito. Barbie. I thought we had Barbie, but we only have Ken. You want Ken?
No.
Don't like Ken? You know who Ken is? Ken is the, no.
Don't want Ken?
Ken is the boyfriend of Barbie.
No.
No, don't like. Nga, patay tayo dito. Wala tayong Barbie. Nabusan tayo ng Barbie. Wala tayong daloy ba?
Si Ken, nandun sa mataas si Ken eh.
About Donald Duck.
Kapag ng
Disney item.
Yeah, Mickey Mouse. Sige nga, yung Donald Duck. Hirap naman dito sa ano? Hirap naman dito sa Kiddie Edition na to. Ayan, oh. Gano'n benta natin ito? Alam ayoko ah. Wala na.
Want that?
You want that one or that one?
Don't want that?
You don't want that one? Ang hirap busy
She
to.
wants money.
You want money?
No.
Don't like money?
Toy.
You want a toy? Sige, what toy do you like? You like, hirap naman ito. Konti lang yung bumabay ko.
Hindi, nagka-car din po.
You want a car?
Ay, check mo yung natin.
You want a Bentley?
Want a car ba?
Hindi mo na
What do you want?
Sige, bigyan.
Barbie.
Barbie.
Hindi ko na nga Barbie si Sir Angelo.
Oh, yeah, I forgot I ran out of Barbie. Don't
Sold
have
out.
Barbie. Sold out. How about Avengers? You like Avengers?
No.
Incredible Hulk?
No.
No. Hirap? How about cash?
No.
What money?
Don't like $1 million?
Buy a Barbie. You want that?
If you have that much money, you
Barbie.
can buy the whole Barbie.
You'll be in a Barbie world. How about a car? Can I interest you in a car? This is a good car. Yeah, Ferrari Aventador.
Sa Ferrari.
Yes.
Sports car.
No.
No pa rin.
How about a red one? Lamborghini.
Lambo. Sa Lambo.
No! Patay tayo dito. Ba't naman nabanggit yung Barbie?
Nagtatakbo pa po kayo sa SM ngayon.
Barbie. If I give you Barbie, okay? Is it okay?
Barbie.
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 Tatakbo tayo SM nito.
Barbie.
Ano, okay sa inyo? Barbie? Kano yung Barbie ngayon? Wala.
Barbie.
Barbie daw?
Barbie.
Barbie daw, okay. Sige, tawag tayo. We'll have Barbie delivered. I'll dial somebody who has Barbie.
Keep on turning.
Keep on turning. Not I've already reached the number. Hello, boss tayo. Meron Barbie doll dyan? Wala. Ganon? Sige. Baka bumili na ako. Tingnan natin. Sige, bye-bye. No Barbie.
Barbie.
Ano Dad? Paano to?
Barbie lang?
Bigyan ko na lang si Daddy ng pambili.
Hmm.
You want? I'll let Daddy buy you Barbie.
Barbie.
Yeah. You're gonna, after this, you go to SM and buy Barbie.
Barbie.
Yes.
Ano, gupay na tayo ng Barbie.
I'll give money to daddy. He will buy Barbie. You want? You want Barbie from me? Hirap naman ito. Yo, Mike. Meron akong may kaswapping ako dito eh. Medyo ito yung kaswapping ko. Oh, say hi to
Sahin mo na. Say
Say hi to Tito Mike. He's the king of toys.
hello.
Hello.
Ayan. Okay. Ngayon, nakikipag-swap ako sa kanya. Ngayon, nagdidemand siya ng Barbie. Oh, may Barbie ka ba dyan? Oo. Oo, mga Jari. Nasapa ko siya ng Jari, eh.
Teka lang. Hindi ko alam kung meron to sa may, sa may kabila eh. Ay, meron kang ping Barbie.
Ayan, they're looking for Barbie. Tapos, they will move in here.
Barbie.
Ay, wala na daw po, sir.
Wala na?
Oo, wala na po. Puro mga action figure yun nandito sa akin.
Okay.
Barbie.
Only have old Barbies, ha? You want old or new Barbie? What do you want?
What do you want?
Ano daw?
Old or new?
Barbie.
Oo nga.
You want old?
Old or new?
New.
New?
New! I don't have new Barbie. I only have old Barbie.
If you want,
But,
Sir Angelo, we're gonna give you money and you buy it at the mall. Is that okay with you? Kasi daw to, it doesn't have new one eh.
Say hi, yun lang. Kunin ko. Yung kunin mo.
Gusto niya galing nga sa Angela yung Barbie.
Barbie.
Gusto mo galing sa akin yung Barbie? Ba't ko nang banggit yung Barbie? Ngayon, hindi tayo makapag-proceed sa deal natin.
Barbie.
Oh, wait. We're looking. Tito Arnel is looking, oh. Looking, maybe can pull out of our hat a Barbie. Dapat pala, meron ako mga Barbie dito eh. So, kung may Barbie kayo dyan, tingin yung Barbie.
Barbie.
Okay, hold on. Wait. How about two dolls?
No.
No! Ang hirap ako pag-negotiate dito.
No.
What else do you want instead of Barbie?
Gusto yung want daw?
Patrol.
Oh, what?
Paw Patrol.
Ano yun? Paw Patrol, what is that? A cat?
No.
Not a cat?
Dog.
A dog!
Police dog.
Police dog, Paw Patrol.
Barbie.
How about
Barbie.
Oh, wait. Your mommy and Tito Arnel is looking for it. Pakita mo, ah. Right.
Mommy.
Oh. Ayan. Ito na.
Old Barbies.
Oh. Barbie.
You want this ba?
Oh, Pocahontas. Pocahontas Barbie. And this is Bratz. Oh. I will give all three.
You want this ba?
No.
Why? Why don't want?
You don't
This one.
want.
No.
Why nga?
No.
Tell that
Don't
why.
worry, the hair will grow long later. Napagupit lang siya ngayon kasi
Kasi
summer.
bago siya haircut to. Ano ba itsura niya?
And you get to dress her up. You make her own dress. You give three. This one, and this one.
No.
Why? Ano ba itsura niya?
That's Barbie.
It's Barbie, yun. Barbie ba to?
No.
Ano to?
Well, it's Barbie.
No.
Barbie yun ah.
No.
Barbie, Pocahontas, and Bratz.
No.
Three of them. Instead of one, I'll give you three. How about 1,000? I'll give you 1,000 to buy Barbie.
How about that? It's a good deal.
It's a good deal. Diba yun?
No.
There's no
Patay.
It's a good deal na.
Patay! Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you the 1,000 now. Here you go. 1,000. Now you buy Barbie with that one, huh?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you po, Sir Angelo, sa pag-welcome sa amin dito sa shop nyo. At good deal po yung pag-uusap nyo po ng anak ko. Thank you, thank you.